All right, Rankin family. So I have an absolute special treat for you folks today with a Partners in Building property right here in Cypress, Texas. This one has a lot of key upgrades. You are definitely going to want to stay tuned and make sure you stick to the end of the video so you can see the primary bedroom. Of course, if you do want more information, I have all the information that you need below. Let's go take a look at it. All right, Rankin family, welcome back to another video. I'm excited about this beautiful Partners in Building property right here in Cypress, Texas. This one's absolutely amazing. You're gonna love this one. Of course, Partners in Building is one of the most requested property builder on this channel. Of course, as we walk in, you're gonna have your beautiful, nice covered, oversized patio right here. And of course you have that stucco exterior as soon as you walk in, and then you're going to have your double doors right here as soon as you walk into the foyer. And then as you can even see on top, you're going to have your tray ceilings with your beautiful chandelier coming down as soon as you walk inside of the property. And of course, we're going to take a right here so that way you can see the first bedroom. So right here, you have the LED ceiling fan, you have carpet inside of the bedrooms, you have plenty of space inside of here, as you can even tell. So of course you have your two night tables as well as your queen size bed with your dresser and even a desk in here. And you see that you have plenty of space. And then this will be your bathroom that's attached to it. So of course you got your beautiful backsplash with your shower niche right there, stainless steel shower knob, as well as the shower faucet. It's a shower tub combo. And then right here, you have your quartz countertops with your stainless steel lighting fixture on top, beautiful dark gray mirror framing as well. And then of course, what I'll show you is the closet, so that way you can see how we're looking. Nice size walk-in closet. Of course, you could use this one as a game room or as a guest room rather, or even a game room if you wanted to. But that would be a perfect position for that. Of course, you have your coat closet right here. And then as soon as you walk into the great room, of course, you have your cathedral-like ceiling with your wagon wheel chandelier coming down. Absolutely gorgeous. And as you can even tell with the exposed wooden beam on the top, definitely adds a nice touch to the property itself. And then of course you have your fireplace with your clear story windows. And then this will be open to the kitchen as well. So in the kitchen, you have the quartz countertops around the perimeter of the kitchen. And then of course you have a custom granite countertops on the island itself with your farmhouse sink as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Wooden range hood. The backsplash adds a very nice touch to these quartz countertops as well. Fantastic. So of course, this is the custom design. Partners in Building, they do a fantastic job of a lot of the key details and the key features, even with the brick flooring right here going into the mud room, extending into the walk-in pantry itself. And then right here will be your laundry room. Of course, you have the beautiful cabinetry with the cabinet crowns on top as well. And then even right here, you have plenty of space in here. So you can maybe put, a lot of folks put the refrigerator in here as well, a secondary refrigerator. So it just really depends on what you want. But even in the kitchen, you have the double stainless steel oven. I get a lot of requests about the stainless steel oven, built in. They love the double oven just because if you have a larger family, you have a lot of folks that come in, a lot of cooking that's being done. It's perfect. You never will regret having more than you need. And then of course, this will officially be the game room right here. So that first bedroom, that would be perfect for a guest room. But even in here, you have a nice size pool table, plenty of space for entertaining folks and things like that. and even going into your media room right here. Nice size media room. Of course, you can have the surround sound speakers in here and things like that, but you have this beautiful lighting fixtures that give it a nice aesthetic to the property itself. And then even walking in here, you have a little closet that you can store some things in there. But even panning around, absolutely beautiful. Of course, this one does have, it's a 2-story property itself. And we'll go upstairs in a minute. But as you can see right here, you have your brick wall right here as well, matching the flooring that was over there going into the laundry room. I think it adds a nice touch. Let me know in the comments what you folks think about it right here. Absolutely beautiful. So let's take a look upstairs and then I'll show you the primary bedroom in a little bit. So as soon as you walk up here, of course, you have your carpet on the bottom. And right here, you have a nice extra game room as well. So you have the carpet on the stairs, carpet going up the stairs as well. And then even looking in here, we'll see what we got in here that's locked, but this will be another bathroom, stainless steel lighting fixture, granite countertops, tile flooring as well. Then you got your shower tub combo again in this one as well, with a nice tile backsplash. And then here you got the bathroom that's connected to this bedroom. So you got your standard ceiling fans up there. A lot of folks love the LED ceiling fans. So let me know in the comments, do you like the standard ceiling fans? Do you like the LED ceiling fans? Really just personal preference. And then of course, right here would be your walk-in closet. Got plenty of space in there as well. And the good thing is this bathroom is attached. You have 2 entryways, but this one will have its own bathroom in here as well. So you'll have 2 bathrooms total up here, full baths. And then of course you got the nice size walk-in closet again. So like I said, you have plenty of space inside of this property. As you can tell, they didn't skimp on the space, which is great. And then this would be another bathroom. Again, you got the granite countertops in here, tile flooring as well. So absolutely gorgeous. Let me know so far what you folks think about this property in the comments. Of course, Partner in Building, they do a lot of custom designs. I know I showcased some recently over there in Fulshire. Go check that out. Let me know what you think about that one. But even walking back into the great room in the kitchen, you just see you have plenty of space. And then we'll head and show you the primary bedroom. As soon as you walk in right here, this will have your ensuite right here. Look how beautiful the bathroom is. So you have your nice oversized soak-in tub right here, tile flooring in here as well. And this will be your nice size standing shower. So you got 2 shower heads, you got your shower bench right there, you got the window, adding a lot of natural light in there as well. Absolutely gorgeous. His and her sink right there, stainless steel lighting fixtures, again, with the mirror framing again on both sides of the sinks. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'll pan right here so that way you can see a slow motion of what it's looking like in here. Okay, and then we'll go right in here. That way you can see the walk-in closet, plenty of space in here. Very stunning. Even panning this way, you have plenty of space in here. You even have, of course, the built-in shelving right here for a lot of the shoes that you have and things like that. So you have plenty of space. And of course, even inside of here, you got another closet to put towels and linens and things in there. And then now I'll show you the beautiful primary bedroom itself. Plenty of space, the tray ceilings, it does a great job of adding a nice aesthetic on top of there. Of course, you got your LED lighting as well. Plenty of natural light coming in here. Can you imagine waking up on Saturday morning, smelling the breakfast? Fantastic. Huge amount of space in here. Even putting in the bedroom set, you still have a lot of walk room, so that's always great. A lot of times, sometimes they may skimp on the space in there, and you definitely don't want to have to be in a situation where you deal with that. And then now, just show you the backyard. Of course, you have the nice oversized covered backyard patio as well. Again, this is an entertainer's dream. If you have a lot of family that come out here, it's perfect. And of course, guys, keep in mind, this is the model home. So, you know, the property that you get or you purchase or you look at may or may not have these features as well. So just keep that in mind. And then even the lot size, you have the lake view right there. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, Rankin family. So that was Partners in Building here in Cypress, Texas. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. Of course, this is one of the great models that I showcase on this channel. So hit that subscribe button, of course, if you want to be part of the next one. And if you do want more information, link in the description below. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.